In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Fusion Markets to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go out to fusionmarkets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. From here you'll need to either log into your account or sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. Once you have successfully logged in, it should look something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to find a specific account that you want to connect to Metatrader 5. And you can see that by going over here to where it says Metatrader 5. And if you don't already have one, you just need to click Create New Live Account or Demo Account. And then from here, it should bring something like this. And you just need to make sure that you have chosen Metatrader 5 on the trading platform. Then all of these other information, you can just keep where it is or change however you seem fit and click Create Account. Once you have created the account, you will get the login page or information down here that you can copy right here. Once you get that, you'll need to go down to Metatrader 5, and if you don't already have installed Metatrader 5, then you can also find Metatrader 5 inside of the Downloads tab down here. And then you can choose Metatrader 5 where you can install it on your Windows computer, iPhone or iPad, Android, Mac, or use the web terminal. Once you have opened up Metatrader 5, it should look something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to File up here and then Open Accounts. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go over to Add New Account like company name or address, and you'll just need to click in Fusion Markets and then click Find Your Company. Once you get there, you'll need to scroll down until you see Fusion Markets right here, and you'll just need to click Next. And then from here, you'll need to go down to connect with the existing trade account, where you need to add in your login credentials and your password for your account, and then change the server to the specific server that is also provided inside of Fusion Markets. Then from here, you'll just need to click Finish, and then from here, you'll have successfully connected Fusion Markets to Metatrader 5. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!